Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked, if 0 is less than a is less than b, then is the natural log of a less than the natural log of b. So to figure this out, we need to say, okay, the natural log of a is equal to log base e of a, and let's just call this equal to some value x. And ln of b, which is log base e of b, equal to some value y. If we know that a is less than b, is this whole thing, and therefore is x less than y. So rearranging this from a logarithm to an exponential, we get e to the x equals a, and e to the y equals b. And we know if b is greater than a, then we have to raise e to a greater power to get to b versus a. Right? E to the 10th is greater than e to the 8th. Therefore, 10 is greater than 8. And as such, by looking at this relationship, we can see that yes, if 0 is less than a is less than b, right? If basically a is less than b, the 0 is there for domain restrictions. If a is less than b, then the natural log of a is less than the natural log of b because of how they relate to these exponentials. Therefore, the statement is true.